Yesterday night I went somewhere.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
I went to a shop and I bought something.
What did you buy? What did you buy?
I bought a present and I saw someone.
Who did you see? Who did you see?
I saw a poor girl and I did something.
What did you do? What did you do?
I gave her my present and she said something.
What did she say? What did she say?
She said, "How nice," and she did something.
What did she do? What did she do?
She gave me a kiss and something happened.
What happened? What happened?
Well, I woke up and it was Monday morning.